Welcome back. My name is Patricia. I am hopping here into Canva to show you something really important. When I was working on a PDF that I had downloaded, it was a flyer proposal, and I created it in Canva, but I want to make sure it was accessible in the PDF, in the download. And I realized the reading order, and if you don't know what this means, I will connect other videos related, but this is important and this will be really helpful. So here in Canva, I realized that the reading order in my download was mixed up. And I found out that, for example, here in this page, it's based off of your position or the layering here in Canva. So when you open up position, to get to that, you need to click on the whole page. Then you select position. So that's the front and backwards when you're layering that. But as you can see, this order, and part of it's maybe when I added in things, is kind of jumbled up a little bit. And definitely not, I want to make my life easier in the PDF accessibility audit with the reading order. So first of all, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take these sections and I am going to group them. So that is going to make things easier for me as well. Do it like that. Now you can adjust here at the bottom, going farther out or zooming in. So now I'm going to go to the whole page, go back to position before you see the line. Okay, so what's really important is this pricing options is going to show in the reading order as after option A. So this is where it's going to really help me out. I have my business name up at the top, and I'm just going to bring these things and make sure that they're also in order, that I have A first, the pricing order, and then A, option A. And that is, oh, and those are the add-ons. So very good. I've clicked on it and it here on the page is making it in purple. So I want to put that after the other two options here. Let's see which one is B and A. I want to put that right under B. And then we have the add-ons, and then everything else is fine. So for this one, I can also click on the item and it opens up another box here, also called layer, and I want to bring it forward. So it did go above that, but that won't matter as much. It was more, I didn't want pricing options to show up later. I found in my PDF, when I was trying to edit, it was just messing things up. So this will make it a lot easier when I get to that accessibility edit after the download. And then I can go to share and go to download, and I will select, because I'm going to email it, PDF standard, and download it as well. I am on Canva Pro. So I hope that this helps you. It's definitely going to be a time saver for me